So in this example, I have a Slack channel that I typed a prompt into, and I have it paused right in here, Cloudera Data Flow, which is a feature you could do. You could stop and start data anywhere you want for debugging or for demoing or just to see what's going on, and that can be done in an automated fashion using REST interface, command line tools, Python, or even NiFi can control a NiFi remotely through another NiFi. So that gets a little insane, but I wanted to ask a question, so we're going to do that, and we'll see how that goes. Popping up a window is a little difficult there. Okay, so we see we've got that prompt, and I'm going to let that go. And we could step through each step, but that takes a while. We're just going to go through quickly, and I could do some queries on it. In case there was multiple prompts, we'll split them up. We'll clean them up, get just the fields we want. And right now I'm playing with Chrome as a vector store and Pinecone. Be adding Milvus and OpenSearch and Solar, but these are the ones I've been working with right now. I just used Chroma for this instance, and we could see we got our results back, and got a couple of records, and I'm going to pass them off to the next step. One thing I could do here is I could do some more SQL analytics, but I'm just going to keep it simple, just limit it to one row. I'm going to pull out the information that I need. That's the document that was returned. And we could see we had that. We changed the attributes. This is the context I'm going to send. And this is from those articles we were parsing. So I get the data, set up my prompt. And I could call my model in my production environment, which is totally in-house and not on the open internet. Or I could send it to ChatGPT. Sending ChatGPT is just as easy. Pick your model, pass that prompt in, set a couple values, put that API key in there. But obviously that's going out to the wide internet, and whatever happens there happens there. We keep it internal, and we can see we got our results back. We got the model value. We're going to parse it. I had a couple of fields on here, including the original prompt. So I have that all together, and I could send those results to Kafka, and also send that to a Slack channel and get those results back. Pretty straightforward, but is a very easy way to add retrieval augmentation to your pipeline in a real-time manner. And if you look here, it doesn't matter where that data is coming from. It could have came from S3, could have came from Iceberg, can come from Kafka, can come from anywhere on the internet, could be WebSockets. Happens to be Slack from another cluster I have, and I send that into SSL REST endpoint. Really easy.